Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install any custom fonts on your PC. So you can download any fonts from Google Fonts or any other free fonts or paid fonts website. So I downloaded some fonts here, so I want to install some fonts on my PC. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, Lobster. So if you want to install one by one, then click here, double click, and here you can see install. This is one process, and another process, right click, then you can see the option install. So you can install one by one, or if you have the font full family, then select all or control A, then right click, then you can see the option install, click here. So you can see installing these fonts. So after that you will get this font in your every software like Adobe or Microsoft Office, Word, or Photoshop, Illustrator, and video editor software. For example, like here you can see I just Lobster, I just download this one. So this is my here you can see just I want to as you can see, click here, and then you can see I just type LOBS. So here you can see this is the font here, which font I just you can see. So okay friend, today's normal, and thank you for watching.